Let's create some sparklines that allow us to see the trend of every single row at just a quick glance. So we have some hypothetical stock prices here for 4 companies: Apple, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon. And we want to see what the trend is for this entire week. So go ahead and click your cell where you want to add your sparklines, in our case G2, and hit Insert, and then you'll see this Sparklines section in your Insert tab. Go ahead and click Line, and then it'll ask for your data range. Select your entire week for your data and go ahead and hit Enter. Then you'll hit OK, and here's your sparkline, and you can drag it all the way down to give you your lines. Now if we want to further customize this, notice how this creates a sparkline tab up here at the top. You can change the color of your sparklines. You can also add a high point and a low point so you can see at quick glance where the approximate high or low point is, and then you can also change the color of these points. So in order to do that, go to your marker color, change high point, we can change it to black, and then for a low point we can change that one to black as well. Now if you want to change these to columns instead of lines, you don't have to recreate them. You can just go over here to column, and then boom, there you go. You have your columns.